Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon umaayon ang panahon sa mga plano natin. At okay lang yun. Hi, I'm Lades, and here's a small personal piece of my life I want to share with you today. Meron akong ugali na gusto ko lahat ng plano ko para sa buhay ko as much as possible masunod. Na para bang napakadaling i-figure out at i-control ng buhay. Kaya madalas nadidisappoint ako sa sarili kong expectations. Elementary pa lang ako, malinaw na sa akin na by the age of 27, gusto ko nang mag-asawa. At dapat, before ako mag 35 years old, may at least 2 anak na ako. Surprisingly, I really got married when I was 27. I feel like na-manifest ko yun. Pero yung 2 kids before 35, yun ang hindi. And that's how I slowly learned and eventually understood how life really works. Hindi pala siya dapat planuhin in every detail, every time. Sa buhay, mas makakaramdam ka ng genuine happiness when you learn to let go and let things be. Kasi the more I overthink my life, the more nawawala yung ability ko to enjoy the blessings that I already have right now. Yes, gusto kong magkaanak. That dream is still there. But maybe hindi pa yun yung plano ni God at ng buhay para sa akin. And today, I'm just grateful. Grateful na nagising akong masaya at healthy, na napakain ko yung betta fish ko, nakapagluto ako ng food, napakain ko yung fur babies ko at yung husband ko. Minsan pala, hindi mo kailangan ng grand milestones para masabing okay ka. Minsan, sapat na yung tahimik at simpleng araw na puno ng maliliit na blessings. And maybe, that's more than enough.